Let's see here. 1 second. 1 second. All right, we should be on. We should be. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Appreciate you all tuning into the stream. And before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, let's please do your own research, of course, before we tune in. All right, 1 second here. I'm gonna pull everything up, so give me 1 second here. So if you're just pulling onto the stream, welcome. All right, let's see. SPY, I'm gonna do IWM. I'm gonna pull up all these here. Let's see. I don't want to move anything though. I'll probably let's see. Get off this 1 month chart here. Boom. There we go. All right, we got everything set up pretty much. You're gonna send out like two to three notifications inside the Discord, so just give me a moment while I send these out. All right, cool. So yeah, let's go over the cues first, as we always do. I'm gonna take that off, and let's see what we got here. So, as you can see, yes, this empty space was hit here, just a bit. For tomorrow, this is what I will be looking for. Obviously, we do got a nice little gap here that I wouldn't mind taking back up if we do end up building some structure, which that structure could look something like this. Obviously, we might move overnight, so this box may be invalid depending on which way we move. But if we end up gapping down, I would still like this upside here. And then, of course, to the downside. We do got a lot of downside here, so once we do end up building some structure, which seems like we did, so this is going to be another little move for me. As you can see, under that 689. I want to see if we can break down to that 682. So that looks good. Hopefully we get a nice move there for tomorrow. But that's what we got there. All right, so that's on the cues. Let's take a look at what SPY. Let me see here. HOD. Yo, Crazy Kelly, what's up? Good to see you guys and gals. Yo, Zach, what's up, bro? Snow. All right, yeah. We're gonna let me knock out these ETFs really quickly, and then we will find some swings, or we'll try to. All right, so same thing on SPY. Obviously, you can see that empty space below ended up hitting, even though wasn't pretty. But this is. So yeah, same thing like the cues. Want some structure there, so we could go into this empty space, and then obviously the downside. As you can see here, we do got a nice pocket below us. So whenever we do want to build a little bit better structure, that's what I would want to target into. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna leave this as is, and just wait for it. Wait for some more structure. All right, Tesla. Let's do it. So, obviously, we are into this. Okay, so we do have the empty space below us here under that 404. You know what's crazy? I'm really liking this downside. So I get that. You know, I could have scalped it or whatever. We went down from what 4.4 to like 4.02. So that could have been cool. But I still see this full move here. So whenever we do get another close under this wall, want to see if we can somehow drop down to that 400 and that 396. So yeah, that's what I like there. Doesn't look bad at all. Honestly, it looks really good. This is something that I would like to play like in the morning. If that ends up happening, yeah, that looks fire. All right, so let's take a look at IWM here. All right, so right now we did this on a 4-hour chart, and as you can see, we did end up having a nice break under our wall here into this empty space. And then yeah, so this morning we were at this 287. We rejected off of this level here, and then we ended up getting a nice drop under that wall down into this empty space here. So that was a beautiful move. If we go down even more, I got down to 277. 277, and then for tomorrow, kind of looks like the same thing. More of a pocket here. So that doesn't look too wing to this downside. That looks really good. Oh, dude, the bots are here. Oh, no. All right, now it's time to look for some swings. I already have like a few in mind that I'm waiting for, but yeah, let's go over a few of these. So Snow, HOD. I want to pull up a couple other ones that I seen earlier today. Hold on, so give me a second. I have my notes here somewhere. Yeah, let's see here. I think one of them was run. All right, cool. Let's see what we got here. I think I want to go to this 24-hour chart and try to break this one down. Let me see here. Maybe even a higher time frame. Maybe like a weekly. All right, so I see that. All right, this is what I'll do here. And honestly, it doesn't look terrible, but we do got a nice little clean little gap here. No consolidation. And basically want to see if we can break through that 183 up to this 206, and it already looks like we might have a small pocket here. Oh, don't want to move that. So yeah, I got empty space there, which looks good. Hopefully we end up getting a nice push into the empty space. Looks like a floor could be at that 164 20 range. So that's on Snow. HOD. So yeah, on HOD. So Robinhood, hold on. So we did actually go and touch this imbalance here. So the imbalance was hit. Right now it looks like we're trying to reach that 74.86 range. Hold on, let me see here. Kind of want to go to like a 4-hour. There we go. So every day inside the Discord, pretty much same thing. Yes, we still got a little bit of empty space here, which doesn't look bad. Hold on, I'm not sure. Hold on, let me see. Yo, appreciate it. Guys, sitting to the live stream, appreciate it. All right, so above that, 79.23, we got empty space up to this 81.87. So if that ends up happening, that's what I would want to do. Yo, Chris Cat Lady, appreciate it. Yeah, honestly, we're about to so for today, I might I don't know, might get some dinner or something. Who knows? Something nice. All right, so run. Let's take a look here. Let's go to a nice 24-hour. So run still looks good to me. I still like it. Let's see. All right, so how to get into your Discord? Yeah, so you can get in the Discord by the link in the bio. We've got the free chat, we've got the VIP chat as well. To briefly go over like what we did today, or what we do, you can clearly see like what we post. So we post pretty much everything in the morning, and then obviously we had a killer day. It was wild. So yeah, link is in the bio for the Discord. We just dropped a code, so Put Bros May. That's the code for the VIP chat. So we'll be leaving that up just for a few, but yeah, that's there. But yeah, you can see what other people did on a few of those plays. And then I even gave out POTR on the free chat today. So boom, this was before market even opened. So I'll throw in a few bones here and there. But yeah, the VIP chat, that's what we mainly do. You can see Counting My Blessings, not giving money back. You can see Put Bros. Yeah, that you can see what a few members said that was just from today. So yeah, we had a nice day. It was, you see, props on IWM today. Boom. Happy birthday again, so yeah. So yeah, it was a good birthday. It was quick. It wasn't like I had to like wait all day. We kind of just saw the play, and then the charts did its thing. So yeah, that was there. All right, yeah, run. So this ended up having a, no pun intended, but it did end up having a nice run earlier today. I like how we did get a pullback. So I want to see maybe possibly end of the day, if we stay above our wall here, above that 1416, want to see if we can hit this empty space above us. So I got up to that 1960, and it looks like all these other plays that we have, like, let me see. So clear gap, we got the clear gap down, we got the area of consolidation, same thing, just like all these other plays. Clear gap down, we got the consolidation that we need to break through. Boom, we break through it, clear gap down. So I want to see if we can get it, and you can see how we pretty much call plays for the days or whatever. And then yeah, that was that. You can see what happened on a few of those plays there. So we shall see. So we got what, 50 minutes left before market closes. That should be interesting. All right, so Yo Long, what's up, bro? Thanks for sharing the stream, bro. I'll be face streaming tomorrow, so if you're in the Discord, obviously we're still gonna be doing those swings, and then tomorrow, we're gonna be doing the same thing. All right, let's see here. So we did HOD, we did that. Let me take a look at Google. Let's take a look at, hold on. I'm just gonna put up a couple other ones that I'm seeing here. Nike. All right. All right, let's see here. All right, let me see. Nike, NVDA. All right, let's see. All right, yeah, Nike here. I have this one up. Obviously, it looks good. It looks like we're getting a little itch up here. All right, one second here, one second. So I was texting Rugged. All right, let's see. Oh, dude, I forgot to pull up this other chat. Oh, man. All right, cool. So yeah, Nike looks good. Looks like we're trying to itch up to this floor hit that 44.79. That looks really good. That's what I would like to see. And then if we end up punching through this box, obviously there's that empty space which is above us. Actually looks pretty good. So that is on NKE, Nike. All right, NVDA. So this had a crazy move to this upside this morning. So we actually did hit that 210, and then I seen that. So earlier this morning, we seen that we had a nice clear gap down here, no consolidation, and we ended up breaking through that 211. Like, we exploded through it, right? So we exploded through it, and then we ended up hitting that empty space. Beautiful move. Let me see here. So now what I kind of would want to do is, let's see. Kind of want to get rid of all this and maybe go to a nice, dang, that 2 hour, I think it might be the one. 2 hour looks good. Dang, that looks fire. 2 hour, 1 hour lines up nice. Ooh, dang. Yeah, we got a little pocket here. Hold on, let me see. All right, hold on, let's see here. All right, we're gonna scroll in. This is what I got. So, dang, that looks good. So pretty much every day, what we try to look for is obviously the empty space. And this is what I see here, which is that empty space. So above that 214.11, you can see we tried to get above there today, but sellers took that control. So what I would like to see is sellers getting exhausted here in order for us to push, and kind of want to see up to that 218. So that actually looks really good. Maybe have some pre-targets, but other than that, looks really good. So basically, yes, we got this little gap down here, no consolidation. Other words, is that beautiful empty space that we would like to see. And then, of course, you know, obviously we do got a little bit of downside. So, you know, if we end up breaking under our box, our wall, we got a beautiful pocket under us here too. So under that 211 down to that 208. So that's what I would like to see. Yo, Glitch, what's up, bro? I mean, we post pretty much all of our plays inside the Discord. So, I mean, we post everything and we spam everything. And you can see, like, the aftermath of today of the call-outs that we had. PLTR went crazy. A couple other ones went wild. You can see what a few members did here today. Counting my blessings and not giving back my money to the market. You know, obviously put bros membership paid for again, and you can see that. Scroll up. Different member profits from the day. Thanks. Shout out to one of the mods, and you can see that's me, obviously. It's Lee's birthday, but he's the one giving gifts every day. So yeah, it's my birthday, but we still put the work in. I was still here. You can see, shout out to all the ladies. Shout out to Fabby. She said, damn, we're the GOAT. And then, yeah, you can see what happened on a few of those plays. You can see how we post setups. And then we do like 1 or 2 day trades a day. And then end of day, so like the last hour, we look for the swings. So that's what we're doing now. Found a couple good ones, but I think I have like 1 swing. Pretty cool. But yeah, the Discord link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. We do got these codes that just dropped. Put bros May, so all caps there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think PayPal's ready. So we did end up dropping back in this box. I don't really see anything that I like. Let's see here. Let's see. Yo, Christina, what's up? I was trying to. It says the link doesn't work. The link is in the bio, so it should work. If it doesn't, you can give me a DM. Yeah, just let me know. It should work though. If not, then no worries. Just give me a DM or Milo. But if you do join the VIP, make sure to use that code. Obviously, you don't have to, but yeah, put Bros May. Let's see here. All right, so 4706. So I feel like this is still inside of this box, and honestly, hopefully we stay inside of this consolidation in order for us to. What is the code? So it's Put Bros May. PUTBROSMAY. So you can see. You probably can't even see that. Hold on. There you go. I'll scroll up for you. So yeah, Put Bros May. That's that code there. But yeah, you can even talk to the members, ask them what we do here. We gave all the members likes, I believe. But yeah, pretty much same plays, and then we even gave that one the free chat today. So yeah, beautiful day, beautiful day. Shout out Jesus. All right, let me see here. We did that. Google, PayPal, we're in that little area. Let me see what we got with RIVN. Looks like we're taking a little dumpy dump here. Let's see. Yeah, I see a little bit empty space here too. I don't know if it'll be worth it though. Let me see here. I see it. Yeah, okay. I mean, I do see a nice pocket under us. I just don't see it being worth it. Not really even a box here. Obviously, just like a little bit of a pocket under us. But that, what, $13.99? There's a little bit of empty space here, the $13.48. But right now, it looks like we're bouncing on that level there. So just waiting on that. Let me take a look. AMZN. Let me look at some ones that I haven't looked at. RGTI. I know I haven't taken a look there at all. Let me take a look at McDonald's. Let's see what we got there. I don't want to look at hold on. My bad. Everyone's trying to text me and call me right now. I'm like, let me get my work done first. Let me see here. Yo, Queen, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, let me see what's up with AMZ in here. All right. Dang, I still like this, but we're just not there yet. Under that, so right now, obviously, you know, there's nothing else stopping us to this upside. I really like this downside here. We're just not ready at all. So I'm just gonna let this play out and see if we can get a break under our wall. So yeah, that's what I can see, which looks good. Yo, Linda, what's up? Paulo, what's up? What's up? PLTR. All right, yeah, I got you. We're gonna take a look there. PLTR, we got Tessie. So yeah, let's see what's up with Tesla. NVDA. Yo, Jay, what's up, bro? All right, yeah, we'll do PLTR. We got Tesla. So PLTR, it did exactly what we needed it to do. I was wishing for more this morning, but like I said, I can't be too angry. So yeah, we did have this clear gap down here. Beautiful, like beautiful little play. We did end up breaking above that 136.29, which was very, very nice. And we hit that first little TP. So we hit that first TP, and then we got a nice little run outside, and we were what, $1 away from my final TP. And yeah, we posted this one in the free Discord too this morning. So I try to look out for the free chat here and there, and it's my birthday, so I was like, you know what, I want us all to eat. So that was that, and then it ended up getting a crazy run. So that was in the free chat there. So shout out to all my So yeah, that was that. Update now. We're right back at this box here. So what I would like to see is we could stay above this 136. 29, so pretty much that same area where we broke outside of to try for the upside again. But if we close back into it, that 136.29, then could see some downside. So got to be a little bit careful in there. Looking at the bigger picture, there's a lot of empty space. So even if we build structure here, I still like all of this here. So that's what I see there, which looks good. Downside target, what I have is, let me see. So I got under that 132. I get it, we're not there yet, but pretty much same thing, clear gap up with no consolidation there. So yeah, that's what I got on PLTR. I still like the upside, but right now it's looking a little bit shaky. All right, let me see, Tesla and NVIDIA. So, and honestly, this might end up playing out overnight. I mean, which is fine. I really don't want to swing Tesla, at least not today. So yeah, we got empty space, which is under us here. So under that 404, we and hopefully this can be saved for tomorrow. So this is what I would like to do. You can see buyers have this control here. So buyers, their job is keep price pushing up, which they're doing a great job here. So what I would hope for tomorrow is if we can push up here, and then during what market open, I kind of want to see if we can break through this level and then target into this empty space. So I got under that 404 down to that 396, which looks good to me. And hopefully it doesn't leave, but if it happens, it's all good. I'll wait for a different play. So, I mean, there's empty space here. No need for me to cry, but yeah, that's what I got on Tesla. But right now, it looks like buyers have this control at this level here. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. All right, NVDA. So, yeah, let me see here. Honestly, with NVIDIA, I really like playing the upside way more than the downside. And I know my name is Put Bros and all that good stuff. I feel like this one is one of those ones where I like really playing the upside a lot more. As you can see, yes, we do have empty space below us under this 211 if we get a close. Down to that 208. So it looks good. Yo, Chick Flick, what's up? Appreciate all the birthday wishes today, guys and gals. Yeah, today was a lit day. Like if you were in the live chat today, dude, it was wild. We finished in like what, under 10 minutes, and then we had some more trades. It was like the icing on the cake. So I could have taken a lot more trades after that, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go have a good day and not ruin anything. You know how it is. It's like, dang, you see a lot of like so many good positions, but it's like I already made my money for the day, and I kind of just want to wait for the swings. So that's what I did. I saw what more of the Qs, a couple more of other trades that I really liked, but I didn't want to overdo it. Yo, pal, appreciate it. So yeah, on above this 214.11. So this is for tomorrow. As you can see, sellers took control at this exact level. So what I would like for us to happen, or for this to happen here, is if we can get through that 214.11. We get through that. Hopefully we get a nice close outside of this box. So if we can do that, I would like to see this upside. So 216 and then that 218. Right now, it looks like we are in consolidation. We didn't get a close yet. So I would expect a little bit of chop or a little bit of sideways action as of right now. So if you're in the Discord, everyone knows if we're chopping, obviously if we're not a floor, then we don't trade in the box. We're trying to target that empty space. So that's literally it. So just like all these trades, we were in the box. Obviously we had a killer entry, empty space was there, PLTR. I needed a break outside this wall here, and we actually did get that nice break, and then you could see straight up green candles. So I like trades that can explode. It's not like